Hello, wonderful teachers. I have had some requests to show you how to access the safety training materials that we've discussed in our trainings. There's a couple ways to access them. Let me show you how to get there. So you'll go to our Canvas page, silearn.churchofjesuschrist.org, and you'll log in there. Mine's just going to log in automatically, but use your church username and password to get there. You're going to choose Houston, Texas Coordinator. I recently have moved it for easiness sake, but the first place you can get it is if you click on the Modules tab, and then it's right here at the top. So slowly that will be progressively pushed down as I start adding micro trainings, but that's where you access them. And the way to do it is just click on here, and you can just go through each module and just do next, and it'll give you what you need. Most of it is for you as a teacher, but the other thing that we'd like you to do is practice at least once a semester a building evacuation. And so whether you're in a home or a chapel or wherever, have a plan and just practice it. And also for us here in the South, hurricanes and floods, please discuss that with your students. There is active shooter. There are some videos on there that you can show to your students, and you can click on this here. If this link doesn't work, it's probably because of the browser that you're in. Chrome does not support everything sometimes, so try a different browser. So that's where the safety training is. Another place you can access it is if you just go back to the home page. And again, as more announcements are posted, this will get pushed down. But if you go to the new teacher training, I've attached PowerPoint. And if you're not a new teacher, this might be helpful. It's something that I've created for this year. So if you've taught in years past, you probably haven't seen this, but it's hopefully a helpful kind of a living document. There's links. And when you open it up, click on enable editing. I'm fine if you enable editing for it. Scroll down to slide number 25, last one from the end. And you can click on here. You need to press Control and then click it, and it'll take you to safety training in this format. So the idea is that you become familiar with all of these different safety guidelines. This has active links as well. This gives phone numbers for things you might need to report. As a teacher, be very familiar with the abuse protocols that our church has. That will explain them there. Active shooter, like the one I showed you there, if you click on this link, it'll take you to that video. And again, here's just a different format to do it. I kind of like this one better than the PowerPoint that I have up there. That PowerPoint's, I think, I've had it for a long time. It's feeling a little outdated, but that's how you access it. Go through it, make yourself familiar. If you have any questions on it, let me know. Thanks for doing this. Have a wonderful year as you begin. Lord bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.